Hello beautiful people and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. So I share with you an everyday clean girl makeup look with skincare. If you are looking for an everyday makeup look that is easy, doesn't take a lot of products, and will leave you looking radiant and fresh, this video is especially for you. This is one of the best makeup looks to master if you haven't already. I think it really helps highlight each and every person's natural beauty so wonderfully. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can master this clean girl makeup look, how you can get a flawless finish every single time. So keep watching. First things first, skincare. One of the identifying factors of the clean girl makeup look is hydrated, glowy, beautiful skin. It is the easiest way to elevate your makeup game, but most importantly, it is the easiest way to elevate your personal confidence when you have good skincare. There's one thing I need to share with you because I feel like if I don't share it with you right now, I'd be totally gatekeeping this. This video is partly sponsored by iRestore. I'm gonna talk to you guys about their Illumina LED Face Mask. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me be real with you. As an esthetician for over 10 years, there's not a lot of facial treatments that I advocate for. One facial treatment that I feel like is a non-negotiable for me is LED light therapy. If you're looking to achieve certain skincare goals, you can achieve them with LED light therapy. From aging, from acne, from scarring, hyperpigmentation, you can absolutely work on those issues with LED light therapy. Now we have the technology that you can do LED light therapy in the comfort of your own home. Like, you don't have to go to a spa and do this. There's no time. So anything that I can do at home, I am fully taking advantage of. I'm a mom of a toddler, I work full time, and I'm pregnant. There is no way I'm gonna be able to have time to like sit down uninterrupted. This LED mask from iRestore has been so convenient for me because I can actually do things while I have the mask on. It's so convenient. It comes with the remote right here that you can like put on your clothes. This is something that I have been using every single morning. I've tried a lot of different face masks and this has been by far my absolute favorite. It has 3 different light modes. You have red light, which boosts collagen and elastin production to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Your blue light helps clear acne, prevents breakouts, shrinks pores, and reduces blemishes. And then the infrared light helps reduce redness, alleviates scars, fades, hyperpigmentation, and rejuvenates sun-damaged skin. This particular LED mask has 360 LEDs, providing more of a comprehensive coverage compared to most LED masks out there. This particular mask promises better looking skin in 6 to 12 weeks if you use it consistently. This treatment is expensive when you go into the spas. The fact that you're able to have the flexibility to do it at home is amazing. Get the iRestore Illumina LED Face Mask. I have a code for you right here, and I'm also putting a link in the description so that you guys can check it out. I put on my serum. This one is from Caudalie, the Brightening Dark Spot Serum. Love this serum. Love Caudalie products. You guys know. Going with an eye cream. I'm gonna use this one from Belief. This is the Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. This is so cooling, especially in the morning. I save my moisturizer and SPF for after my masking. Put on the mask, press the button, and start her, girls. She's already on my preferred infrared light, all set on a 10-minute timer. I clip this on myself and I go about my day. Once it stops, I take it off. I had a whole spa treatment in 10 minutes in my morning. I'm doing a combination moisturizer SPF today from La Roche-Posay. This is their Double Repair Face Moisturizer. I've been loving this 2-in-1 product because you guys know I like it easy. Thank you so much to iRestore for sponsoring this part of the video. Now let's get into the makeup. Thank you guys for hanging on with me through ads because you know that's how I'm able to keep this channel running. So thank you for your patience with me. As you can see, with the skincare base, we've got a very dewy look. Having a skin tint is also going to be the best way to achieve the clean girl makeup look. I have 2 here that are my favorites. They're both at different price points, so I just wanted to make sure to include them both for you guys. This one's a pretty penny, but man, she's worth it. She's worth every penny. This is the Hourglass Veil Hydrating Skin Tint, the most hydrating skin tint that you'll find out in the market. This is one of the best ones. I'm in the shade 10. It blends so beautifully. That's the thing about this clean girl makeup look. You want to use a skin tint because you don't have to do much effort when blending a skin tint. It kind of just melts into the face. It enhances the beautiful skincare that you just did. If this is just not attainable for you and you're looking for something a little bit more budget friendly, go with the Joa Beauty. This is the Luminous Skin Tint Stick. Now, it is not as creamy and delicious as the Hourglass. It's not. It has a very good formula, and what I like about Joa Beauty products is that they're skincare infused. This is a great alternative. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Hourglass. I'm telling you, this is worth it. I love this one. I just put a little bit on my skin, and you can decide to either use a stipple brush to blend this in or a beauty blender, whatever your preference. You can also use your fingers, which is wonderful about a skin tint, makes it very easy to blend. This is just my nice stipple brush from Sigma, and look at this flawless finish that this gives you. I think skin tints are great for beginners also because you don't have to work so hard at blending them in. Clean girl makeup usually is very minimal when it comes to the brows. I'm gonna go in with the Kosas Air Brow Gel. This is a tinted air brow gel. We're gonna go ahead and just put this in the brows. This is a really good brow gel. It's also clean beauty, so a lot of these products that I'm sharing with you are actually clean beauty. I tried to incorporate that into the clean girl makeup look because I feel like, yes, I love this brand because it is clean, and that's all we're gonna do for the brows. We just did a little bit light, easy, done. Now we're gonna go in for concealer. We're gonna go very light with this. I'm actually gonna use the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer. This is super light and perfect for a clean girl look. I'm currently in the shade 2N1 in this one. And we're just gonna do a very light concealing situation here. Just gonna put it in those particular areas. It's gonna help lift the face, conceal where it needs to, also lift the eye area. I'm gonna go ahead and take a small beauty blender and blend this out. Love this concealer because it blends out so easily and effortlessly. Look at how that was crazy easy. Get rid of those tired mom eyes. Snatched. Next step is gonna be bronzer. I feel like with clean girl makeup looks, a lot of the products that you're gonna use are liquid or cream based because it gives more of an effortless look than powder, and it is easier to work with because you're usually a lot more blendable. I'm gonna use the Say bronzer. This is their Dew Bronze bronzer in the color Swim. I love this bronzer so much. It's been my go-to recently because of how blendable it is. These are the areas that I'm going to kind of do like a little mini contour, if you will. I'm gonna put it on my eyes like that. Take a larger beauty blender to blend that out. Blend so effortlessly. So if you're looking for a good liquid bronzer for you, this Say one is so wonderful. It gives you the perfect contour, the perfect depth without making it look cakey and over bronze, but just like very natural. This is the Ilia blush stick in the shade Dreamer. It's actually not a blush stick, it's a multi-use stick. This is a really pretty shade and I feel like it's perfect for the clean girl vibe. It's giving me a little bit of interest, but still being very natural. I'm gonna blend this in with my fingers. Not too much, not too little, just enough. We're gonna go in with a highlighter. This one is from Tata Harper. This is their flashy cream highlighter. It's really beautiful, supple. I'm taking my highlighter brush. This is the F03 brush from Sigma. Applying this with the brush just really makes it beautiful. Just a little bit on top of the Cupid's bow. I'm also going to put that on top of the eyes so we don't have to focus too heavy on eye makeup. Less is more with the clean girl makeup look. I'm going in with the Dibs palette. This is the Dibs Palm Palette Coffee in Hand. And I'm actually gonna use this light brown shade here with the shader brush, a small shader brush. We're gonna go underneath the eyes like this. And I don't do too much. I try to blend it out really nicely. Just helps open up the eyes, bring balance to the whole eye makeup look, brings out the natural color of my brown eyes, I feel like. Now we're gonna go in with mascara. I'm gonna use the Polite Society mascara. This is something that I've been using lately. It's new. The greatest lashes of all time, that's what it's called. I'm obsessed with the wand. The wand is it. And I need all the help that I can get with my little lashes. I like the feel of when mascara, you feel like the wand is combing your lashes. Personally, I love that. I feel like it's actually working. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom, but just very lightly. There you go. Look at that. Let's finish it off with some lips. I'm gonna use the Saltaire lips because for a clean girl makeup look, you want something super basic. This is Saltaire's Clear Lip Oil Balm. Easy, simple. Any gloss that you like, you can use. I think this one is really pretty. Feels really good. Complements the whole makeup look all together very, very nicely. Don't be mad at me, but I do not have a clean beauty setting spray that I really like. I have yet to find one that actually rocks my world. If you have recommendations, please let me know below. But for right now, I can't find any clean beauty setting sprays that I really, really like. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray that you guys see me use all the time because it's one of my favorites. It works for me. I like it. Big fan. If you have a recommendation, let me know, but I will still be on the lookout and hopefully I'll be able to update this video and include a clean beauty setting spray. For all my girls that are a little bit more on the oily side, or maybe you're a combination and you kind of have something to kind of not be so dewy, I got you. I'm not a powder girl myself, even though I do have combination skin. I feel like by the time I start getting oily, I'm already taking my makeup off. If you prefer to use a perfecting powder and you love this makeup look, this is what you can add. The Joa Beauty, this one, oh, this is their Glow Perfecting Powder. It's a 3-in-1. I'm gonna put it on just to show you guys how great it is. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and I'm gonna apply it just to this little area here. Look at that. That's if you really don't like the dewy. Personally, I like the dewy, but if that's not for you and you want a little setting powder to kind of tone it down, there you go. It lasts for a long time. And again, Joe Beauty is skincare based. They have ingredients incorporated into their makeup that are really good for your skin. So check them out. This is definitely a good one to use. All in all, this is the finished look. This is your everyday clean girl makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you leave this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos like this. It also really helps my channel out. So I appreciate you if you were to hit that subscribe button. I had so much fun doing this with you. Like I said before, it is such a classic and timeless look, and I feel like it's gonna be around for a long time because it really just plays on your natural beauty. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.